Hey friends, who's hungry? Impress your guests by adding this pineapple glazed baked ham to your Easter spread. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Place one 8 to 10 pound half ham shank in a roasting pan or baking dish and cover with foil. Cook the ham for 15 to 20 minutes per pound. For a 10-pound ham, I ended up cooking mine for approximately 2 hours. In the meantime, combine half a cup of pineapple juice, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a medium saucepan. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch until smooth. Bring the glaze to a boil and cook until the glaze is thickened about 1 to 2 minutes. 30 minutes before the ham is done cooking, remove the ham from the oven and apply the glaze liberally to the outside of the ham. Return the ham to the oven uncovered, then baste the ham with the glaze every 10 minutes for 30 minutes.